Brief update on the bonnet. We've been getting a couple of patches welded into the front here. Let's have a quick look. So we're getting the patches, we haven't getting them welded in, we're getting them tacked in. And then I realised that we were starting to blow holes in things. And this one is not so good. I might have to put a copper strip behind this to weld this. The gap here is a little bit too big. Right, so I thought I could weld that with 0.8 wire. And it started blowing holes in, as you can see. So I've ordered some 0.6 and we've swapped all the gubbins over in the welder already, waiting for the 0.6 to arrive. When it arrives, we'll crack on with that. I decided I was going to do those two front patches because if the worst come to the worst and I made an absolute pig's arse of them, I'll be able to cut the nose off and put a new nose on. Whereas if I did that with that side patch and I made a right bollocks of it, then we wouldn't be able to repair it and we'd have to look for a new bonnet. So, waiting again for tomorrow. See if the postie will bring my wire forward. Catch us later.